Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia. Welcome to my family channel. Today, I will tell you about how to learn English naturally. We will talk about a very important secret. We will stop studying boring grammar rules. I know, learning English can be difficult. Sometimes you feel tired and like you cannot speak. But don't worry. I am here to help you. I will speak slowly and clearly. Are you ready to change the way you learn? Let's start. First, let me introduce my family and my home. I live in a small, happy house. It is a very quiet place. The walls are white and the garden is full of green trees. I live here with my husband, Michael, and my 2 children, Tom and Lily. Michael is a very kind man. He loves to cook. Every morning, he makes breakfast for us. The coffee smells strong and good. My son, Tom, is 10 years old. He likes to play football. My daughter, Lily, is 7 years old. She loves to draw beautiful pictures. In our house, we love to do simple things together. We love to travel to the beach, go shopping at the local market, and tell stories before bed. I want to share these stories with you because stories are the best way to learn a language. Many students ask me the same question. They say, "Sophia, English is so hard. Grammar is too difficult." Do you feel stressed when you see a big grammar book? They memorize long lists of verbs. They study complex formulas. This makes the brain feel very tired. When you think about grammar rules while talking, you stop. You hesitate. You feel like you are in a cage. But I have a message for you. Stop doing that. It is like trying to learn how to drive a car by reading a book about the engine but never touching the steering wheel. Next, I want to show you a better way. A way that is easy and relaxing. Think about a baby. Imagine a small baby learning their first language. Does a baby study grammar books? No, the baby listens. The baby understands the context. The baby listens to mom and dad every day. The baby listens to simple stories. When you listen to a story, your brain is happy. You are thinking about the characters and the action. When you listen to stories, you learn grammar automatically. Your ears do the work, not your eyes. Look at this phrase. Learn naturally. It means you learn like a child. You listen first, going to the supermarket to buy fresh vegetables. Cooking a warm soup for my family on a rainy day, walking in the park and seeing the blue sky. You will feel relaxed and confident. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to listen. So, my dear friends, remember this. Use your ears, not your eyes. Listen to English stories every day. What about you? Do you like studying grammar rules, or do you like listening to stories? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching my first video. I am excited to go on this journey with you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our family channel. See you next time. Have a beautiful and peaceful day. Bye-bye.